Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when you see someone acting weird or maybe looking kind of pale or whatnot, you might ask, what's wrong? You know, 有时候看到人的脸色可能发白了一点，或者说他一直在想心事什么，可能都会问你怎么了How do you say, what's wrong? 怎么了？
用板黑毛，
用板黑毛。
或者可以说用诶。
用诶 that's a very simple way of just saying it. 怎么了 And usually you say that to people who are closer to you. Just say 用诶。好，有时候真的是就是脸色看起来不太好，就要问怎么了。So you don't look too good. What's wrong with you? 你脸色看起来不太好，怎么了？
牙面色，
牙面色，
看起来冇幾好，
看起來冇幾好。
用板黑毛，
用板黑毛，这个面色的意思，对不对？
对，
脸色是面色。
好险不是菜色，
真的面有菜色就不行嘛，是不是？
对，那海陆江的脸色，面色。
面色 okay. When you don't look too well, you actually say your coloring of your face is really kind of off, and you say 面色 or
面色。
面色 Okay, that's two different dialects for that. 那问完这个的时候，可能真的只是有点累，就会感觉脸色或面色不好看了So it's okay, don't worry. I'm just a little tired. 怎么说呢？
冇要緊，
冇要緊就没事嘛
槍油地位開，
槍油掉誒 Q OK Q 就是累是不是？好可爱的字Q that just means tired. 那很累不就懂 Q 是这样吗？
可以啊，
可以吗 OK 懂 Q that means I'm very tired. Well, then the person should just rest up, and we should suggest that. So 就早点睡，早点休息吧，早点睡吧。怎么说？
做地位睡哈，
做掉誒睡好，做掉誒就是早一点嘛，Just early on, get some rest, right? 睡好 that
睡
means
吧。
That means 睡吧 yeah. Just get some sleep as early as you could. All right, I think we need to review some of these terms right here, like in Chinese or in Hakka, 脸色, which means the way you look.
面色，
面色 And then there's nothing wrong, don't worry, 没事。
冇要緊，
冇要緊，冇要緊的地哈。
对，
再來累 tired.
開，
And it's all about asking people if they don't look too well. 怎麼了？
用板黑毛，
用板黑毛 which means what's wrong or 用誒。用誒 very short and sweet. And that does today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.